Experience the authentic Tuscan dishes during your private cooking class with a great Italy tour. In the comfort of your own accommodation, your private Italian chef will introduce you to important ingredients and teach you the secrets of the Italian cuisine. Together, you will create a masterpiece from a recipe that you will be able to share with your friends and family once back home. Create your aperitivo with true bruschetta, different types of pastas, and many more completely on your own. As your meal is done, you will indulge in the great flavors that you have created on your own and enjoy a fine glass of wine alongside your dish. Learn more about Italian culture and cuisine with the Great Italy Tour.